Hey friends, if you wish to manage app permissions for Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you can scroll down to app permissions, and let's say that you wish to set permissions for the camera application or any of these, but for the sake of this example, go to the camera application, wait for it to load, make sure that the switch associated with camera and the switch associated with let apps access your camera is turned on, and then you will see other apps here, and then you can turn it on for the application that is in question. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.